Wow, there's so many used iPhone in this place. Hello guys, now I'm in Huaqiangbei, Shenzhen, China. Today I'm going to show you one of the most professional and the largest market for the used mobile phone trading. You can find any models from this place. They include the iPhone as old as the iPhone 4 and as new as the iPhone 16. And what's more, you can find Huawei, Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, and any models from here. So today I'm going to show details of this place. It's an amazing place. Okay, let's go. This is the market. It's called the Tongtiandi Communication Market in the Great Wall Building branch. Let's go in through this gate. In this market, the first to the sixth floor is mainly for the selling of the repair parts, such like the battery, the back cover, the flash cable, the LCD, and so on. The used mobile phones on the 7th floor. I already got to the 7th floor by this lift. Now I'm inside the market step for the used mobile phone trading. The owners of the booth put the phones on the decks for the selection of the customers. You can check any of the phones that you have interest in. Here are some very old Android phones, and this is the iPhone. So many different models. You see from the iPhone 6 to the iPhone 14, 15, and many models. There are hundreds of the booths on this one floor. The owners have a lot of mobile phones in their office. They only sell a very small quantity here. This is the iPhone in good condition. We call it the A grade. Of course, you can find any other grades in this place, such like the B grade, C grade, D grade, and so on. The worst one is that with the cracked LCD or cracked back glass. You see there are also Xiaomi, Huawei, and other brands. Wow, this is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This is a very new model. It's released last month, so you can find it used in this place. It's only released 1 month ago. But you can save at least $200 with this used Xiaomi 15 Ultra. But today my job is to find some iPhone 13 Pro Max for a customer. Now in front of me is the blue color iPhone 13 Pro Max, 256 gigabytes. This is the China version. It has a physical dual SIM tray. It's different from other countries' versions. Such like in America, it uses the eSIM, and in Europe, it uses the one SIM card. So in some Southeast countries, the people like to use the China version with the dual physical SIM tray. Let's check about the appearance of the phones. The middle frame, there's only a very small scratch on it, very, very small. So we can call it A grade. And the back glass is in good condition. The LCD is also in good condition. Not any problem for the appearance. This is another one. We also check it very carefully. So the look is no problem. Now we check about the function of the phones. The display is perfect. Now we check about the white color background. No problem. It's very pure white color. It's very beautiful. Not any defect on the screen. We check about the true tone. It works good. If you replace the LCD, this function will disappear. The dark mode. We check the background on the black color. It's good, no problem. So we passed the inspection of the screen. Now we check about the camera. We take some photos. We zoom it to different times. Check it one by one. Because in different times is different function, it has an engine on the camera. We have to test it one by one. All is good, so the camera passed. Now we inspect the loudspeaker. It's very loud, very clear. We check the bottom, it works good. And here it also works good. The Face ID is very important, so we have to tag it very carefully. It reacts so fast, perfect. Let's look about the battery life. The maximum capacity is only 73%. Honestly, it is just so-so, so we have to replace the battery right now. We have to check the buttons to see if all of them works good. The power button, the volume button, and the mute button all is good. Okay, just now I already inspect most of the main functions. Of course, later we have to check it again carefully. So this is the brief introduction about these markets for used mobile phones trading and about how we select the good phones among a lot of them.